Okay, guys, welcome to another edition of this all important analysis. Without wasting much time, let's take a quick dive into a very important company before us. A top social media company owned by Mark Zuckerberg. So we're going to be looking at the price performance, and then from there, from this very analysis, we will know the trajectory for this very company. So, if you are new to this channel or you have been following the rest of my videos or been following this channel, this is another one for you. So, let's take a quick dive into the technical analysis of Meta platforms. So, the chart before us, like I said, is a Meta chart. So, we are going to be looking at the performance of this company. So, Meta has actually been, on the uptrend not until in 2022 when it came crashing, after which it has been uptrending. So first things first, we are going to look for our liquidity points. Very important. So we'll strike our discount here. So this is our liquidity point. Then I can see another liquidity point here. This is another point of liquidity. Very important. There's another sponsor candle here, and then this one. If you go to the monthly, you will see this very candle. There's a sponsor candle. So, as you can see, Meta has been doing well lately. So, the next thing you're going to look for is the impulse move. Now you can see there was a move here. There was a weekend action here. Then there was a testing here. Then there is a breakout. And then you have this impulse move here. I hope you can really see this. You have this impulse move here that saw price, coming as high as $330. And then there was a little downward move. And then there is another breakout. So I'm going to be representing this. So that's breakout. There's another one here. Then there is an impulse move here. There is another one here. So I'm going to call this liquidity 1. Then I'm going to call this liquidity 2. Okay. So what does the future hold for Meta? Now, liquidity 1. So for liquidity 1, you can see there is no retest. And for liquidity 2, you can see there is no retest. So Meta price has no business surging again. So it must come for a retest at liquidity 2 and liquidity 1 to gather momentum again for another surge. I'm sure you can see on chart. Liquidity 1 is around $350 zone, $350 zone. Liquidity 2, liquidity 1 is around 195, $200 zone. So price must come down. Price must come down before it can now possibly come for another testing of liquidity 2, then before breaking out to a higher level. So if you're in Meta, you already know what to do. You can add this to your watch list and then watch to see this unfold. So on your chart, like I always say, always look for liquidity points and then the breakout. Very important. So you can see this. I'll go over it again. Price came down, down, down. Then came here, tested it, came down, broke out, tested liquidity 2 points, came down, then broke out again. Now you can already see price is already consolidating up for a downward move. So until this happens, Meta has no business going up again. Now I really don't care what you're actually working on now, whether they are going to release the next, great product and stuff. But what is on chart is that price must obey this trajectory. It's actually very important because every inefficiency on chart must be filled. It's a rule in charting. So guys, wait to see this unfold and then let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section. If you want to know about the fundamentals, just visit the description section of this very analysis. So add this to your watch list and watch to see this unfold. So the future is really not bright for Meta, price wise. Until these conditions are fulfilled, Meta has no business uptrending. So it's a great company, but this must play out. It's like a movie script. It must play out before, just so price has a reason. Because in this market, price must have the reason to either continue up or downtrend. So how soon is this going to happen? It may be in weeks, it may be in months, but all these conditions must be fulfilled first before price can have a reason to continue upwards. So guys, if you're in Meta already, or if you were planning on going into Meta stock, let this analysis help you to make a trading or an investment decision. So in another video, I'm going to be looking at another important company, a big market cap stock. So it's my duty to, through this analysis, through all this technical analysis, show to you what the future holds for either these big tech companies or, the small or big cap companies or the small cap companies. It is my duty to help you make that investment decision. So you don't end up following, the hype on the media, and then you end up making wrong investment decision. It is my duty to help you make the right decision in either stock or crypto. So guys, watch out for the next video. And in that video, we'll be looking at another important high cap company owned by Warren Buffett, one of the top and most successful investor in the stock market the world over. So please follow me in the next video, and you're going to know what the future holds for this, big market cap company owned by Warren Buffett. So guys, if these videos have delivered value to you, please don't fail to hit that like button. Don't fail to share this video so others can have the opportunity of learning what you're learning today. Don't also fail to subscribe. When you subscribe, you get notified about the next and next and next video, or the next and next and next company to either invest in or stay away from. And above all, don't forget to drop your comment, to ask questions. It is actually through your comments that I get to know that you have been following all this analysis. And it is also through your questions that I get to give deeper explanations to these analysis and more. So please, don't fail to click that like button. Don't fail to share these videos so others can also get the same value of it. Don't fail to subscribe. By subscribing, you get notified of every new video that I put up. And don't also fail to comment. So thank you guys, and see you all in the next video.